Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door shelf retaining bar in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a hacksaw, a file, a ruler, and a pencil. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door shelf retaining bar. This door shelf retaining bar is located in the upper portion of the freezer door. The most common reason to replace the door shelf retaining bar is if it breaks and no longer stays in place, or is simply missing. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. So this is the old door shelf retaining bar that we are going to be replacing, but in most cases you probably won't find it in place because it would be missing. So in case if you have it, to remove the old one, we just need to pull it up. In case if you missing it, you need a ruler and measure the opening here. That would be 4.5 inches. This is the old door shelf retaining bar next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. As you can notice that the new part is much longer than the old one. The manufacturer stopped cutting this by the size because the door comes in several different sizes. So we need to cut it down by the size of the existing one. All right, I'm going to use this box as the table, and then this is our new retaining bar and the ruler. If you remember, it was 4.5 inches. Mark it here. Then I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to do in the end 4.5 inches here. Remember, if we do a little less, it would be better than if you do a little longer, so a little shorter in this case. All right, now I'm going to bring our heavy machinery and we're going to do this cut. Remember, we're cutting that bar, not your fingers. All right, now I'm going to file this edge a little bit, make it smoother, and I'm using a regular file. All right, now we're going to install it. We're going to simply insert the new door shelf retaining bar into these slides and push it down. Now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.